Alright folks, we just got an order in using the ordermo app, and we ordered it from Myleen's, which is over there like directly across, well, almost across from Cheap Charlie's. And my buddy Eric and his beautiful wife Mercy spoke very highly of this place, and I've been living here for a long time and I've never ate from Myleen's. Forrest G, are you hungry, son? So I'll show you what we got. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Okay, now this is the tocino Filipino breakfast right here. This is what Fatima wanted. So tasilog, which is basically tocino, garlic rice, and an egg. That looks wonderful. Looks delicious. And this is what I ordered. This is, I can't remember if this is the American breakfast bowl. What do they call it? That is on time. My goodness. Oh Lord, take a look at them onion rings. I hope the camera is doing this some justice. Hey, what's that? That's the chicken strips? Yeah, I think that's the chicken strips right there. Folks, I'm gonna tell you right now, so far the presentation on this food is wonderful. Especially, well, I mean everything. The presentation is wonderful. Forrest G is so hungry he don't know where to begin. Now don't think that the young man's starved, because he's already ate some chips this morning. I don't know what all he's been nibbling on. But so far, A+ for Myleen's. Alright baby, let's get an honest assessment on the food. What's it taste like?
It's delicious.
Of course, she loves that garlic rice. Going to town on it.
Can I have some?
Yeah, baby, dig into that. Go ahead and dig into it. Let's see what's underneath there so I can show all my friends out there.
Ay, potato.
Yeah, it's got potatoes, I think some cheddar cheese.
Ito Maria, dito sa'yo. Hindi, nandito sa'yo.
Alright folks, here we go. Let Big Daddy take a taster on this American breakfast bowl. That is 100% on time. Maria's giving a thumbs up over here. Myleen's absolutely delicious. Forrest G approved. Everybody here is giving it a thumbs up. Excellent food. Shout out to the chef and all the staff over at Myleen's here in Barrio Barretto. Just outstanding food. And folks, you can deliver if you get on that ordermo app. You know, just cash on delivery. But I think, don't hold me to it, but I think on Myleen's you can actually plug in a credit card if you want to. A lot of these places on ordermo, they do not accept credit card payments. You have to pay cash. But I think if you want to pay with credit card at Myleen's, you could. It's good, sweetie? Masarat? All right, folks, Maria's reporting masarat. Here's the chicken strips. On time. On time. Wow.